Making an earring. Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn to make earrings. We can make earrings in innumerable designs and fashions. Today, we are going to make earrings using stones and pearls. Earrings are the most popular jewelry worn by women. These earrings can be made very easily. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the tools and materials needed to make an earring and how to make an earring. First of all, gather the required tools to make the earring, which are plier and cutter. Here, gunguru, 4-holed kundan, spring, ear tag, etc. are being used to make the earring. How to make an earring? Now, let's see how to make an earring. First of all, take the spring. Cut the spring into small rings using a cutter. Take 3 4-holed kundans. Use the ring that have been cut to connect the kundan and press using pliers. Connect another ring to the top hole of the kundan. After that, connect the ear tag into that ring. Now we have connected 3 kundans to the ear tag. Then, connect the next ring to the holes on both sides of each kundan. Add 8 to 10 gungurus in these rings and tighten it. After adding the gungurus, press to close. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.